What are the grand challenges for facing WaterHCI? First, we address the critical need for waterproofing technology, essential for ensuring the safety and functionality of interactive devices in aquatic environments. This encompasses considerations such as IP ratings, custom sensing, and maintaining interactivity while safeguarding against water damage. Next, we explore the development of hardware optimization for WaterHCI, focusing on buoyancy, robustness, and connectivity, because these pose unique challenges in the aquatic environments, demanding innovative solutions for seamless interaction, harnessing water as an interactive material, and unlocking its vast potential for immersive and intuitive experiences. Exciting avenues for exploration and innovation. Toolkits for prototyping WaterHCI devices. HCI research has developed many toolkits. We contend that toolkits could encourage and embrace WaterHCI to enable novel aquatic experiences as well. We begin by looking at the evaluation framework. Evaluation of WaterHCI experiences requires addressing unique challenges related to the aquatic environment and also to the participants who are engaged and active in these spaces. Now let's explore how to support human senses in aquatic environments. Vision, hearing, touch, and even smell is affected by water. Interactive designers must adapt to these sensory changes to create effective WaterHCI systems. The challenge of sharing aquatic experiences. Engaging with water is very often a social activity. However, when it comes to interactive technology support, there are not many examples beyond apps. However, notable exceptions are with AR snorkeling experiences that have been enjoyed in groups and floatation experiences that allow participants in different floatation tanks to sing together via internet-connected microphones. Transitions into and out of the aquatic environment are also likely different with WaterHCI systems. Hence, it is a challenge to switch between the coming and going of land-based interactions to the aquatic domain and back and forth. We first look at designing implicit aquatic interactions. Most aquatic interactions require a user's attention and bodily engagement in submersion. Interactions with technology will often not be the primary factor or focus. Rather, they may just operate beneath the user's conscious level. Designing shared agency with aquatic tools. We find that many aquatic activities involve some type of tool. There is an opportunity to seize the emerging advances around artificial intelligence and actuators to give these tools some agency. An autonomous underwater vehicle that cooperates with the human is a great example. And overcoming the constraints of the aquatic environment. There are numerous realities to the aquatic environment that must be considered in augmented reality, virtual reality, for example, or the technological interface that the human is experiencing. Exploring WaterHCI for and as sustainable practice. WaterHCI systems not only need to address power consumption and e-waste, as traditionally discussed in HCI, but also water source, use, waste and pollution. Applying WaterHCI safely. Having people interact with water raises many ethical challenges about safety that affect the researcher's practice. Addressing these is an essential part of bringing the field forward. And finally, in addressing cultural factors. Cultural sensitivities around access to opportunities with regards to sharing of facilities and specific clothing to be worn, for example. Overcoming the divide in terms of accessibility to water. People already have an unequal access to water, not just for drinking, but also for aquatic activity. By understanding these challenges, we can design more effective and inclusive WaterHCI systems.